celebrate the 20th anniversary. I'm also here for the grand opening of the new Up Bird Show called Up, A Great Bird Adventure. Let's go check it out. Where did it go? I love Up so much, I even wore my Up necklace. The show is about to begin.
I haven't heard from her, so.
Adventurers and explorers, hello! And namaste. That is one of the ways we greet friends here in India. My name is Annika. Oh, it is beautiful here. Yes?
Yeah.
Now, I'll tell you how this place came to be. Many eons ago, there lived an enlightened Maharaja and Maharani of Anandapur whose hearts were one with nature. So much so that the Maharani turned her palace grounds into a magnificent aviary so she could live among the birds. I am a descendant of that queen, and I have returned to become a caretaker of these wonderful winged creatures. And now, this is my favorite part of each day, as the birds fly here to join me in a dance to welcome you. Welcome to Anandapur, where adventurers meet up. I come here often, spending time with birds. Birds like Cleveland, and my friends, local bird experts who dedicate their time to making Anandapur a welcoming place for birds from all over the world. It's one of the reasons I love to gather adventurers and wilderness explorers like you here. I am proud to be a senior wilderness explorer from the local Chidiya tribe, More Lodge. This is a mudra, a hand gesture, for Chidiya, which means bird, and More, which means peacock in the Hindi language. And today, we have another senior wilderness explorer visiting our gathering. He asked if he could bring his dog along, and since we are friends to all, I was happy to oblige. Adventurers, please welcome Russell and Doug!
My name is Russell. I'm a wilderness explorer in Tribe 54, Sweat Lodge 12.
Shabash, Russell! Ooh, tell us about your furry friend.
We found him in South America, and he's trained. Shake, boy! Speak, boy!
Hi there.
Oh my, you can talk? How does this work?
Please do not touch that. Hot breath.
Hey, you're speaking Hindi and English? More like English. Tell us your name, boy.
My name is Doug. I have just met you, and I love you.
Oh, I love you too, Doug. A good wilderness explorer loves all animals.
Just like our motto says.
Exactly. We say,
An explorer is a friend to all, be it plant or fish or tiny mole.
you all know this part. Everyone, follow along.
The wilderness must be explored.
Now you. The
wilderness must be explored.
Caw, caw.
Caw, caw, roar.
Wonderful job.
Hey boy, we made it to India. I think we're gonna travel back for that.
Shabash, that is great. We have almost everyone here, except for one of my good friends. Like me, he is one of the caretakers of the birds who have made Anandapoor their home. Adventurers, please welcome my friend, Scott.
Hello, everyone. Welcome. Namaste. In my time here, I've learned to interpret the bird's natural behaviors to better understand them. I'm pretty much a bird whisperer. Oh, and you can be too. Have any of you ever had a great bird adventure before?
Yes.
We did. With our bird friend, Kevin.
Who's Kevin?
She lives near Paradise Falls, a place lost in time. She goes gaga for chocolate.
Wait a minute, you fed a bird chocolate?
No, you should never give a bird chocolate.
Oh, really?
But she must have been a very special bird.
Oh, sure, she's very special. None are like Kevin.
Oh, I do miss the Birdman Kevin. Yes, I do.
Hey, Russell, I have an idea. What does this Kevin look like?
Oh, I know. Like a bird.
Red boy, Don. Anything more specific?
Kevin has long legs,
She can run very fast,
colorful.
loud, and big.
Tall, fast, colorful, loud, and big. Sounds like you had an amazing adventure.
Yes, and now we're ready for our next bird adventure.
Oh, great, I think we all are. Are you all ready to meet the birds that call this place home?
Oh boy, let me go get my camera for my adventure book. Come on, Doug.
Oh, look, it's Miles. Russell, Doug, hurry back. Hi, buddy.
Now, like Annika said, this is Miles, a trumpeter hornbill from Africa. And these birds, they're designed for extreme flying. They can maneuver and dart in and around trees, catching flying insects, their favorite treat, without losing speed.
I know. Would you all like to see just how Miles flies in the wild? Yeah, all right. We're going to create a forest in the wild right now. So, if you are seated at the end of the row in our lower center section, go ahead and stand up. And face the explorer directly opposite you. Great. Now raise your arms up like this, like the curved branches of a tree. Trying to make a tunnel. Yes, Dick.
Now, Miles is going to fly through your arms, so remain still and respect our feathered friend. But watch closely. When he leaves my hand, he is pretty fast. There's more to go, though, buddy, I promise. Well, we got through some of the forest. I tell you what, forest, stay right where you are, make those trees nice and tall for me. We're gonna see if once Miles goes back to Katie, we can fly him back through this forest once again. Now that he's got a chance to warm up through some of the forest, we'll try to get him through the entire thing. So Miles is called a trumpeter hornbill. This is a great chance to tell you. Well, you guys did a great job. Thank you for your help.
Thank you. We all make great trees. Let's get our adventurers on this side of Trump. So, if you're seated at the end of the row, go ahead and stand up.
All right, you guys ready to see Miles fly again?
Yeah!
This forest is ready. Remain still. Respect our feathered friend. Katie's right there at the other end, buddy. There we go. That's pretty good. Good job. Okay. Thank you. All right, Miles. You can do this. Come on back home, buddy. Come on. Think about it.
Come on, Miles.
There we go. All right, $1 million after a good job.
Shabash, you all did great trees. Yes, let's give all trees a round of applause. Thank you.
Miles, you did great too, buddy. I have an extra treat for you if you want to come on over this way. Miles, I know, it's great. And I have an extra treat right here. It's good stuff, I promise. Yes, okay.
Another round of applause for Miles. Yes, good job.
Find the birdie. 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 Point.
Did we miss the birds? Not to worry, Russell. We have many more birds here to show you.
In fact, you're right on time.
Really? I don't see anything.
Guys over there.
Where? I do not see anything on birdie.
Wow, he has a big beak, just like Kevin.
Yeah, he does. This guy is a ground hornbill from Africa.
My friend here, the small mailman, told me that I am from South America. See, y'all soon. Yes, I am.
Yeah, well, ground hornbills are amazing birds. You see, they get their name because they feed on the ground. They use their large beak with the strength of a sledgehammer. But it can also be more gentle, like using chopsticks to
let
feed
me
their
get my
young.
camera.
Camera? No! Oh, Dan, come on, get this bird. Hey, guys, I'm sorry.
Birdie.
Well, no, she's not really angry. It's a natural behavior for hornbills to peck at their food when they forage in Africa.
Oh, I'm sorry about your camera.
My Wilderness Explorer's camera.
You all right, small mailman?
Kettlebell's fast, but not so wild.
Oh, yes. Very, very fast.
Well, being fast and smashing food are some of the behaviors birds learn to survive in the wild.
Yeah, now there are a lot of birds that live around people. For instance, there are ducks.
Yes.
And here, well, here there tend to be a lot of guinea fowl. Like those ladies.
Look at them go!
Oh, and around here, there are also chickens.
Hello, ladies!
Chickens. I think he wants to play tag.
Hey, is that how the chicken learned to cross the road?
Oh, chicken birdies. Oh, come here, you chicken birdies. Come here.
We'll be
Come
right
on, chicken
back.
birdies.
Go back, boy.
Oh. All right. I think the chicken just... There are all kinds of birds here with special talents, and others with charm and personality that make them so lovable.
Like parrots.
They grow on you.
But they don't make the best pets.
No, they can bite.
Scream.
And they poop everywhere.
Definitely not the best roommates.
Very true. But some of these birds are so smart that they can mimic what they hear from the world around them. Just like
Groucho.
Oh, we have to show you this bird.
All right.
Hello, Groucho.
Tell everybody hello. Oh, that was a pretty nice hello. A little quiet right now, but we'll see. Maybe we'll wake him up a little bit more this morning as we go along. Okay, Groucho used to live with a human family, but now he's learned to show his personality in some really interesting ways. So, let's see if maybe he wants to show some of that off for us today. Yeah, we're good. Okay, Groucho, but first, these adventures have been pretty brave and pretty awesome so far. They deserve something special. How about a great big kiss? Yeah, that's some pretty good stuff, that kiss. That's right. Okay. All right, you got it. You know, that really is every day.
Every day with Groucho. Let's all say goodbye to Groucho.
You know what? They are good.
Be my friend. Oh, please, be my friend. I am back now from tracking chickens.
So were the chickens fast like Kevin?
Kevin's much bigger. She could outrun them.
Okay, well, how big is Kevin's wingspan?
Wingspan. I know that. It's how long it is from tip of wing to tip of wing.
That's right, Russell.
So how big is Kevin's wingspan?
Huge, like this big.
There are birds with much larger wingspans.
Oh yeah, like the albatross, the largest flighted bird in the world. Its wingspan would be like Annika and myself standing fingertip to fingertip.
Wow, that's big, but I'm pretty sure Kevin's much bigger.
Oh, yes, that bird Kevin is much, much bigger.
Huh. Oh, really? Like... Hold on, she's coming. That bird. Hey, you guys, she's not scary, just big. Come on, don't judge a book by its cover.
don't judge a bird by its feathers? Yeah, it's a nerd joke. Sorry. Well, that's Victoria. She is an African fish eagle, also known as the voice of Africa.
Watch, she's even bigger when she flies.
Now, she does have one of the largest wingspans here, reaching close to 7 feet wide. And what she does with that is she'll swoop over the lakes of Africa and grab fish right off the surface.
So how did she get her name, Scott?
Well, that's actually one of my favorite stories. So Lake Victoria is the largest freshwater lake in Africa. It's actually the second largest freshwater lake in the world. So what that means for her is there's going to be a lot of fish there. So she kind of liked the name, and we kind of let it stay.
Oh, maybe she's going off to catch some fish right now. And that was Victoria. Done. Glad you're back.
I do not like the scary birdie.
There's nothing to be afraid of, Doug. Remember, a wilderness explorer is friend to all.
That's right. And all animals are friends to us. If you appreciate them, they will show you just how wonderful they are.
Oh, show me the birdie.
Now, one of our favorites around here is the crowned crane. Meet Fraser. Fraser Crane.
Fraser Crane.
He is just one of the many birds here that connect us to a world of stories and adventures.
Hey, say hi, Doug.
Hi there. I like the birdies.
And they like you, Doug. The great crowned crane is the national bird of Uganda, a country in Africa where they're practically royalty with those tall golden crowns.
What's up?
Can't you just imagine them flying over the plains of Africa?
I like the birdies.
Hey, would either of you two like to try to feed Fraser?
I do. Come on. No.
Oh my god.
He really goes gaga for bird seed. My hair sticks up like that, my mom makes me brush it.
That's very funny, Russell. Now, that's not really hair on top of his head. Everything from the top of that beautiful crown all the way down to those beautiful eyelashes are going to be feathers. And that was Fraser Crane. Well, next you're going to meet a friendly bird from South America with a behavior that looks a lot like hopping.
I have not seen a birdie hop before.
Well, if anyone can, a toucan can. Oh, looks like we have some adventurers to volunteer to set the perfect hopping environment for our feathered friend. Who do we find?
We have Karen and Scott.
Round of applause for Karen and Scott, everyone. Now, you guys might not realize this, but toucans are thought to be magical creatures.
That's right. The indigenous people in South America say that the toucan can send messages between the living and the spirits. They even immortalize in the night sky in the constellation Toucan.
Okay, let's meet our feathered friend. He's a toucan, and his name is Sunny. Check out that window right behind you. Where Miles was earlier, now we have Sunny.
Wow, cool beak.
Yeah, it is a pretty cool beak. Okay, adventurers, take a step forward for me, both you two. Perfect. Hold your arms out straight in front of you, shoulder width apart. That's wonderful. Now we have the perfect hopping environment for Sunny to hang out. All right, Sunny, we are ready for you. I know, checking out the sights. Nice job, keep it moving. You're doing good. Come on. I know the show's now in 3D for you. So close. And there we go. Nice job, buddy. Okay, let's try that one more time. Arms out in front of you. Let's see if this magical creature can hop back that direction. So quick. There we go. Keep it moving, buddy. So close.
Almost there.
There we go. Good job, you two. Now this is my favorite part about Sunny. He has really short wings compared to his body. Let's see if he can fly with those short wings all the way over the wall where you see that hand waving. That's our stage hand, folks. Well, Sunny is out of here. How about a round of applause for our volunteer adventure? Well, next, actually, we have my favorite bird coming up. And honestly, it's probably my favorite animal. It's one that you'll recognize. The bald eagle. A symbol of pride for the United States of America. Everyone, we hope.
Hey, birdie?
All eagles aren't actually bald.
Well, that's right, Russell. They get their name from an old English word piebald, meaning white head.
My cousins in the West have told me about these birds. She's so majestic.
Yeah, and inspiring. Not too long ago, the bald eagle was placed on the endangered species list. Then, through conservation efforts, all of us played a part in helping their populations to recover. Well, I'm happy to say they're no longer an endangered species.
Cool story, right?
Thank you, Mom. And now, I would like to introduce my favorite feathered friend, the peacock. I call him Nabil, which is a very noble name. Not only is peacock Moor in Hindi, but Moor is also the name of my Wilderness Explorers Lodge.
What a beautiful birdie. A very, very beautiful birdie.
Wow, this has been a great bird adventure.
And Russell, did you know there are literally thousands and thousands of bird species all over the world? And you really don't have to go that far to find them. You see, birds can be found in our own backyards or even our local parks back home. And to get you started on your next adventure, just download the Nature Passport app.
That's a great idea. Ask any of our Wilderness Explorers troop leaders for more information. So, whether it's a Kevin bird or an eagle, an owl, toucan, or peacock, you'll discover birds and other animals with incredible stories. And discovering their story is just the beginning of your adventure.
Hey Russell, check that out.
That's a cool bird. Get a picture of it for me.
Hey, can you dance around like a Taraco?
Yeah!
I too can run around like the birdies.
Don't forget about the eagle out over here.
Hey, adventure is out there.
Oh, so many birdies. I love it all.
Like Doug and Russell, we can have our own adventure any day. Nature and all of its wonderful creatures are all around. All we have to do is look up.
Oh, chicken birdies again. Oh, I love chicken birdies. Come here. Oh, come here. Be my friend. Be my friend. Oh, I love chicken birdies. Oh, I love them.
Must be explored. Bye.
Bye, Russell. We'll see you later at the Wilderness Explorers Clubhouse, right?
That's right. Oh yeah. Wait up, Doug.
Well, for now, thank you for spending time with our feathered friends here today.
And until I see you again, like birds in flight, let's go. And have a wonderful next adventure. Goodbye.
Aren't Russell and Doug so cute? I really love that new bird show. Well, thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to see more footage like this, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.